Hi everyone. I want to show you how to get your code from GitHub deployed at a URL on our web host, Vercel. Okay, so here I happen to be in my code editor. This is the code that I'm going to be deploying. I've already pushed it to GitHub. And this is the code on GitHub. In my example, it's a repository that is under our team organization for the course, Digital Product Jam 2024. In your case, you will be doing this from your own user, okay, not from the team organization. So first of all, this is Vercel. After you've logged in, you'll log into Vercel, and then you'll get a screen like this at some point which says deploy your first project. So what you want to do is import a project from GitHub. So you click import. Now, when you do this, it's probably the first time you've used Vercel, so you won't have a list of existing GitHub accounts. You'll have to go to add GitHub account, follow the instructions, and add your personal GitHub account. Okay, after you've done that, you will get redirected back here, and then you will see with the account that's selected, it will give you a list of code repositories that it's able to import from. So as you see, I want to import from starter kit. So I'm going to click import. Vercel already detects that it's a Next.js app. Our starter kit is built on top of Next.js. So you don't need to do any other changes here, unless you want to change the name of the project. You can simply click deploy. Okay, so now Vercel, what it's doing, it's pulling your code, it's running the compilation step with modern JavaScript, or more specifically TypeScript, which we are using, which is JavaScript with types. There's almost always a compilation step with modern JavaScript from a sort of more friendly form of JavaScript into a form that browsers work with. So it's doing a compilation or a build step, and it threw an error. Let's see why. Okay, we need to set up some, and we need to first set up some environment variables for our project. Okay, so let's see where we do that. Okay, so I'm going to enter some environment variables here. We have a separate video that explains about these environment variables. I'm not going to explain them now, and some of the data that I have is secrets to access services, so I'm going to stop the video and add them and then start again. So I fixed the issue that I had. It was actually that I had the missing environment variables, and then I added them, and then I clicked redeploy, and that got me a successful build. Those were the steps we were looking at before. You can see it gives you information on each step, what it does. Then here, there's two nice things once you've done the deployment. It shows you a preview of the website, tells you it's ready, tells you if it's in production, tells you the domain that it has configured for serving your website from. So let's have a look. Wait, let's just close all of these. Let's go to the main domain, and we can see that the website is here. Demos page, the demos that I've done and I'm working on, projects that we'll talk about in more detail, and that's it. So let's see what else we can do here. I'm pretty sure we can edit the name of the domain. Let's see. We can go to settings. Product name starter kit, no problem. Domains, let's see. Let's see if it lets me give it a name that I want. Probably starter kit is taken. Yep. Okay, so someone else owns that. So we're going to call it Digital Product Jam Starter Kit. Okay, when we go back, this domain probably stops working now. Yeah. And now we go to this one, the new one that we just changed it to, and you see it works. That's it.